Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's some more Ethernet cable, some more Cat 8. I bought this from Amazon like I always do, and I'll stick a link in the description in case you want to check it out. And this is from a company called KASIMO, or they're the company that's selling it online anyway. So I've never heard of them before, but I had a look at the cabling. I thought that's what I need, and the reason I bought this is because this comes with some cable anyway, but it's restricted on its length, and I think it's only Cat 5, Cat 6, and I want to try and change all my cabling to Cat 8 now. And then it's ready for the future because you can get up to 40 gigabytes per second, even if my computer can't handle that kind of speed, or my other devices. It's ready for the future for when I do even more upgrades. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to do the unboxing so you can see what you get for your pennies. So, how much was it? Let me just check, see how much it was. Oh, so it's just under £14, which I thought was, reasonable for a Cat 8 anyway. They're both 5 metres long, and let's get on with it, shall we? So, it took about a day to turn up, or just over a day. I went in no particular hurry for them. So there you go. Oh, KASIMO. Dedicated and professional for cables. That's what it says on the pack. So Cat 8 super speed Ethernet cables, made in China, and you can't knock the Chinese. They do make some good products without a doubt. Oh, that's right. Nicely or easy to open bag, which is what we like. So we're going to undo one, and it feels like good quality cabling, by the way. We're going to undo this one. Hopefully, if we can figure out which way they've done it up. There you go. Found it. I could just snip it off, but these come in handy, these little cable ties, for loads of little things. It's got a bit of a twist to it. There you go. So that's one. I want to get it undone just so I can show you what it looks like, and then we're going to plug it all in. Plug it into there, put it down where it's supposed to be, run all the cabling, tidy it up. We're not going to do a speed test because I don't believe I have anything that can run that fast. So gold plated connections, which is what we like, so it gives the best performance. Nicely manufactured by looking at it. Says on there KASIMO Cat 8, 2000 megahertz, and patch cable PVC. Yeah, I think it's good cabling. It feels nice. So that's about it really. So what we're going to do is I'm going to run it all around because it's going down there in that corner where that other hard drive is. It's going to go along back, and it's going to go into my switch. I have a switch under there, and I'm going to plug everything into there. My switch can only do up to 1000 gigabytes per second, so we are looking to get a new switch and I believe we can get a 10 terabyte one, or maybe even faster. So we're going to be looking at that, and that's for the future, so we can get a better performance out of this. So should be very nice. I can't plug this straight into my computer because I've only got one Ethernet card or one Ethernet connection, and if I want to do any upgrades, I'll either have to buy a new motherboard with at least 2 connections, or PCIe card to plug in extra Ethernet connections, which we might look at as well. So there's an option. So we have a couple of options: either get faster switch, or get a card that can do 2 Ethernet connections. I will have a look and look out for the video, see what I choose in the end. So with that, I'm not going to do a video of me installing it. I'm going to just show it all plugged in and up and running, hopefully. So let's get on with it then, shall we? Right, so I finally finished it. I've plugged it into my disk station, my Synology disk station down there. It's all plugged in. I've got 2 cables plugged into that. They run all the way down there through, and I've done cable management, by the way. I run all the way down there and then back on the south and then into the switch, which is about located around about this point here. And then I run another cable, which ain't a Cat 6 by the way, or Cat 8 sorry, by the way, which runs from the switch into my router. So I've done the best I can with cable management, and I think it looks pretty good. You can't see it because I put it in them sleeves that I got from another company, and I'll stick a link in there for that as well. So yeah, what do I think? Something to bear in mind if you're thinking about getting a Cat 8. They are a little bit thicker because there's a lot more quality of wiring going through. For instance, you've got the copper is a lot thicker than the standard one, and that's probably why you're getting a better quality signal and you're getting more speed. So they've upped the quality, better sleeving, bit of shielding as well. So everything about it says quality. And I've bought from 2 different companies so far on Amazon. And like I said, I'll stick a link in there for this product. And I'm very pleased with it, and I hope the Chinese carry on with the quality because it does make a big difference. And I love the fact that it's gold plated because you get a better connection. So with that, does it give my thumbs up? Yes, it does. If you're thinking about buying a Cat 8, I haven't seen a bad one out there yet, but I've only bought 2 different brands at the moment. I'm very pleased with them. They look quality, they feel like quality connections and everything. The cabling feels really good, professionally done. I wish I could do them that good, but obviously they got a machine to do it for them or something, I don't know. Be interesting to find out how they manufacture them. I'll be interested to see something like that. But yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.